So today this video is with regards to setting up candidate alerts so that you're notified when a new candidate applies for a job through Senploy. First of all, you need to be logged into your Senploy dashboard. You need to click on alerts, then click on to candidate search. For the purposes of this, I'm going to just leave the keywords and job title blank to pull in as many people as possible within a certain location. However, if you wanted to be more specific and you could write send teacher or teaching assistant or whatever the job title is of the individuals you want to pull in within that location, then you would obviously complete that in the keywords field. For location, I'm simply going to put, let's go with Leeds. Use the drop down to select, click on the cog to select I want all candidates within a 15-mile radius and search candidates. So on this left hand side here you can see that there's candidates recently that have applied for jobs and they've registered their details, and you are able to now obtain the basic data for those individuals so you can make contact with them. What I'm doing for the purpose of this video is creating the alert, and I'm simply going to call this alert Leads, so that going forward, as the person that's logged into this account and the person that's created that alert, I will now be notified of any candidate that has applied for a job and registered their details on the Senploy system. You will receive that alert in an email, and I'll do a further video to show you how to access their details.